I've visited several dentists, unfortunately, in my tenure of 40 years, and I've just, most of them feel very stiff, make you somewhat nervous, and this one made me feel extremely relaxed. The facility in itself didn't make me feel as if I was entering a dental office. It made me feel like I was entering someone's living room, and that alone gave me a comfort level of being here. One of the things I'll say about Dr. Ray is that he took the time to get to know me. And that, for me, was huge because, you know, getting any type of cosmetic dentistry work or for me, dentistry in itself is a challenge because I have a fear of dentists. So with him, again, made me feel very relaxed, let me know step by step what he was going to be doing. And then even through sedation, he would always preface it by saying, okay, Sheila, once you come in, this is what's going to happen. And for that, I'm very thankful for him, and I, try to recommend as many people as I possibly can to him just because of that. People tell me they have a fear of the dentist, and I'm just like, you got to go see Dr. A. There were some things about my smile simply that I just didn't like. There was spacing in my teeth, and that was the thing I wanted to correct, as well as some issues with my bite. And we put in kind of a short-term plan, and a long-term plan is what we established. He said, okay, Sheila, this is realistically what I can do. I can have you looking different within a month to 6 weeks. And that alone was absolutely imperative for me because I'd gone to another dentist and I told you, they told me 6 months at the very minimum before they could even have my smile to a point where I wanted it. I had a little bit of an issue one day when I was in a boardroom, and I was in a boardroom in a meeting and we were having a working lunch, and I was like, oh my gosh, I think one of my temps, and I snuck out the meeting, called Dr. A's office, and he 2 minutes later called me and said, this is where I want you to go. It's 1 block from your office where you are right now. Sit me down the street. They fixed me. I was back in the boardroom before anybody missed me. It was perfect.